Hey friends, it's Shanna, Shop Glorious Day. I am here at Market Hill for the Vincent Peach Master Class Jewelry Workshop, and they're actually getting started right there, so I need to catch up with them, but wanted to show you real quick again. Vincent Peach location here at Market Hill.
Vincent is for what they're around here for teaching class.
Oh, that's fun. And the hats, that's actually where I got my Stetson. So we'll just quietly peek in and then I need to take my seat.
Found like in the sand, like deep in the sand in the Caribbean, and it's been there for 1,000 years. So we see some of them around the brown ones.
Okay, so I'm gonna sneak back into my seat and we'll touch base again later. Shanna, Shop Glorious Day here at Market Hill. Bye.